Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscriber. Welcome back guys. And if you're new here, welcome also. So guys, this afternoon I'm gonna make some pasta with chicken breast guys. Creamy pasta because I have heavy cream to use. Cooking cream I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna wash my chicken and then I'm gonna cut them up. And I'm gonna get right back to you. So stay tuned. And so okay guys, I'm cut them up in strip first. And then I cut them up in cubes. So that everybody can get a piece of chicken. Or every bite you take, you can get a piece of chicken. This is the last piece. I'm putting up. Then I'm gonna go wash and dry season. So, okay, that's it guys. I'm gonna wash it with some vinegar and some. Okay guys, I finished washing my chicken breast. So this is the seasoning. I have Mrs. Dash black pepper, seasoning salt, smoked paprika. I have some garlic plus, garlic powder, and onion powder. So I'm gonna put everything inside. And I'm gonna rub it up and leave it, make it soak a little bit before I start frying it. So okay guys, I'm gonna cover this and put it aside, and I'm gonna take care of my pasta. Okay. So I'm gonna put my pasta inside. So okay guys, I'm putting my pasta in, and this is the bowl one I'm using guys. I'm gonna use everything. We all eat up. We have a lot of mouth to feed. So okay guys, so I'm gonna give it a little stir. So guys, see you in 8 minutes when my pasta is finished cooking. Guys, my pot is hot, so I'm gonna start frying my chicken. Okay guys, my chicken breast is coming together. Let's get it done. Guys, my chicken breast is still frying, you know. I'm gonna transfer them now. So now I'm gonna make my sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit, maybe another spoonful of oil, not much. Here I'm gonna add my onion. And my green onion. Okay, I'm gonna add a 2 teaspoons of garlic. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my bell peppers. Okay guys, I'm adding some cream to my sauce. Okay guys, I'm just having a little sprinkle of Mrs. Dash. Just season the sauce a little bit. And flavorize, not much. A little black pepper. Not much because I had seasoned the chicken already. I'm going to add back my chicken to my sauce. I'm going to start adding my macaroni. I'm going to have to add some more sauce to it. Okay guys, this is my finished product of my macaroni and chicken. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in our next video. And guys, I'm wanting you to try this recipe. It's very nice. So remember, like, share, comment and subscribe, and tell me where you're watching from. See you in our next video. Ciao. Bye.